Hello and welcome to our video series on WsFTP. Now in this video, we're going to be showing you how to manage your files. Now remember, as you're watching this video, you can always use the pause and rewind buttons below the screen to watch and rewatch this video until you have this task mastered. So let's get right to it. Now of course, the first thing you need to do is to open up your WsFTP software. And then to manage any files, we need to be hooked up. So let's go ahead and connect to the server. And this is another way in which we can connect to the server. Go up here to Connect, and when the drop-down box pops up, go on down there and click on the site that we created in our previous video, and they should do the connection. There we go. Now, the first task we're going to mess with is creating a new directory. And you go up here and you click on the Create Folder button. Now, why didn't they just name that button Create Directory? That's beyond me. Anyway, this is where we go ahead and enter the name of our new directory. And then we just click on the OK button. Now let's go ahead and delete a folder. And this works the same as a file. Then you just go ahead and select what you want to get rid of. And you press the delete key. Can it get any simpler? Well, actually, just because it is pretty simple, they also put in a little safeguard here. Brings up a little confirmation box. Are you sure you want to do this? And if you are, then of course you got two choices, yes or no. We're going to choose yes, and it's gone. Now let's go ahead and try to rename a selected file. So let's go ahead and pick a file that we want to rename. And this one. There's a couple of different ways a lot of these things can be done, but in this case we're going to select a file, then go up here and click on the rename icon. And when this box pops up, we simply enter the new name and then click on the OK button. Very good. Now, most of the time, files are going to come automatically with a read-only or execute permissions only, but sometimes you may need to make some changes to that file, like write permissions are required. And in case you need to provide write permissions to a file, this is how you do it. You right-click on that particular file, go down and select Properties, like so. And then this box pops up. And to make this particular script writable, you just check the appropriate boxes, like the ones that say write, for example. And then you just click on the OK button. And now that script is writable. Well, after you click on the OK button to confirm the permissions change. Another safeguard. And this page verifies that the permissions have been updated. And that's pretty much it, folks. This is bringing us to the end of this video on how to manage your files using WsFTP.